This video is created for educational purposes and is not investment advice. Any financial decisions require careful consideration and prior analysis. Alright friends, no grand words today, just pure practice. I want to show you how I monitor the market with the help of an AI assistant. Yes, now there is someone in my pocket who doesn't trade for me but can highlight areas worth a closer look. If you're just starting out and all this seems complicated, don't worry. This tool helps me find things faster that used to take me ages. It's like using a GPS. You're still in the one driving, but navigating becomes much easier. My name is Nathan and I've been analyzing markets for 8 years, building an approach where understanding matters more than speed. Today, no overload, just a calm demonstration of how observation and decision-making work with the support of this tool. Get comfortable, let's begin. Alright, I'll share one thing before I change my mind. Someone wrote to me today, Nathan, this bot really helps. I finally started observing the process calmly, without unnecessary panic. That's the whole point of an AI assistant. It helps build logic, clarifies direction, and highlights things you might miss at the first glance. If you want to see how it works, check out my community. This tool is available there for free. All you need is a regular phone. And most importantly, I explain everything there, what's happening and why. No complex terms, just simple, practical insights, especially for beginners. Link in the description and pinned comment. Go take a look and see how useful it could be for you. Now, let's get back to practice. Alright, everything is set and value is configured. My assistant has already chosen the team to work with. Let's check. Perfect. No indicators needed today. Fully ready, let's begin. We've got our first signal. Move upward. We can see the value approaching the level from above and the lows are gradually rising. This might mean the level is about to break. We're expecting a slight pullback. Alright, let's keep moving. Here the value is moving in a sideways range, and in these cases, it's best to trade from the range boundaries. Right now, it's touching the lower boundary, and the bot suggests going up. No reason to argue. Let's continue, friends. If you want to dig a little deeper, I've got a space where we break things down calmly and practically. In my community, I've gathered everything a beginner might need. Step-by-step explanations without jargon, visual breakdowns right from the charts, examples of how our AI assistant works in real situations. Everything is explained in plain language, so even at the start, you feel supported and understand what's happening. If you want clarity and are ready to learn, check the link in the description or pinned comment. It's up to you whether to join or not, but it's definitely worth a try. Now, let's continue. Alright, we're being told to go up again. Okay. The trend has turned bullish. We're seeing some sideways movement now, and as that stabilizes, we're moving up. Let's watch. I had no doubts, and I've already got a new signal from the bot. Moving on. Wow, we're really heading higher and higher today, folks. Great. We're observing strong upward momentum with no signs of reversal, so this one's an easy choice. Watching closely. Alright, onward we go. Let's see. Just as I said, the level was broken and now it's being retested. I expect the move to continue, and my bot agrees. We're not slowing down, friends. We've got a signal to go down. After that long flight upward, it's a logical move. The breakout from the sideways range happened downward, and we expect the decline to continue. Now it's time to secure what we've achieved so far. My assistant signals a potential drop. Alright. First, we saw an upward move, followed by a quick pullback, then another push-up. Now there is a candle with a short body and long wicks, both top and bottom. That kind of pattern often suggests indecision in a current trend. In such cases, a reversal in direction is quite possible. Let's see how this plays out. Alright folks, moments like this really feel like Cloud9. What do you think? Tools like this used to be available only to professional banks, big funds, and analytic departments. But times have changed. The technology is now within reach. My team and I developed an AI-based tool that helps you calmly and systematically understand what's happening. It shows you where to look and what questions to ask to think systematically. If you have ever struggled with charts, this format could be a great support. Here's what you will find in my community: a step-by-step guide on how the AI works and what it tracks, breakdowns with examples, no overload or jargon, the chance to observe decisions making in real time, and support. Ask questions, clarify, and avoid feeling lost at the start. This isn't a course or a lecture series. It is a space to develop your thinking and see how everything works in real time. No rush, no pressure. If you want to see how it works, follow the link in the description or pinned comment. Simple. You decide when to jump in and how deep to go. That's all for now. Thanks for staying till the end, and see you next time.